Today on J-Ray's Kitchen, we are going to turn this dirty little spud into a delectable salad, made just right for a family reunion. But first, how about we wash this spud and all of his little buddies? Oh, that looks better. Nice and clean, and shiny too. Now that all the family is clean, let's slice and dice. But we're in a time constraint, so we don't really have the luxury of time on our side. You see, I stayed up really late last night coming back from a county fair, so I didn't really get up as early as I should. But you know, that's life with J-Ray. In all seriousness, you do want to peel your potatoes after you've washed them, of course. Chop them up into little cube-like sizes, about like that. You want to throw them in a pot. I actually dug these potatoes right out of my garden just last week, so these are fresh. Good old Yukon Gold. Now, I've used a vegetable peeler on peeling taters before, and it's way easier, but you know how it goes. You never can find something when you need it. Alright, now the hard part's over, and we're going to boil them taters. We also want to salt these taters too. I'm going to pour the salt on now. Just add a good amount. This will all get drained. This helps with the flavoring. Then start adding some water. I like to use bottled water. Just to make sure it's good and clean. We'll let this boil for probably about 30 minutes. And then we'll add the rest of our ingredients after it's drained. Alright, so we've been boiling for about 30 minutes. Once it came to a boil, I made sure to turn it down to a little bit lower heat, but it's still boiling. Everything's soft now though, so let's go ahead and turn it off. And we're going to let these cool for a while before we add our other ingredients. Next part, you drain the potatoes. And then we're going to sit this in the fridge and let it cool for a while. It's not really good to work with these when they're hot. Okay, now we're going to hard boil some eggs. Three eggs will be plenty. Don't forget the salt. When these start boiling, drop the heat back a little bit and let it go for about 15 minutes. Alright, got our hard-boiled eggs. We're going to peel those and chop them up. And you know how we do. Chop! Excellent. See what I did right there? Now we're going to chop a sweet onion. Chop! Perfect! Alright, now we put our egg in a mixing bowl. I'm going to add our onion to that. Then we're going to add our potatoes that we've let cool. And with this big spoon, we're going to mix it up. Now, I know what you're saying. J-Ray, that doesn't look like a potato salad yet. But there's more ingredients. Now, everybody has their own ingredient list for a potato salad. You can find all different types of recipes out there. This is a pretty simple recipe, though. Just going to add some Miracle Whip. Also going to add some sweet salad cubes. Just like that. And we want to mix it up. And the reason why I'm not giving you an exact amount of these ingredients is because depending on how many potatoes you throw in there, you're going to have to kind of play around with the ratios and add just enough stuff to your liking. You can add mustard to this if you kind of like a mustard-based potato salad. So I'm going to add just about a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and just about a tablespoon of mustard. Another spoonful of Miracle Whip. And a few more of these salad cubes. Then we'll do about another half teaspoon of salt. And about a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Now let's get all that blended up. And just like I said, sometimes you kind of have to fix it to your taste. This needs more salt. So another half teaspoon of salt. And blend that in. And there you have it. Simple, homemade potato salad. Tweak it how you like it, but those are basic ingredients. Try it for yourself today. We'll see you next time on J-Ray's Kitchen. Alright. Got my finest luxury Tupperware. This thing is sealed up. Let's go to the family reunion.